Welcome to Competitive Exams Corner. ఏపీఎస్సి గ్రూప్ 2 మెయిన్స్ బిట్స్లో ఈరోజు 20th డే. ఈరోజు ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్, అట్ వాట్ ప్లేస్ డిడ్ ద ఆల్ ఇండియా కాంగ్రెస్ కమిటీ మీట్ ఆన్ 1st April 1921? ఆన్సర్ విజయవాడ. The first session of Rayalaseema Mahasabha was held in 1934 at Madras. Next question. Which language is popularly called as the Italian of the East? Answer Telugu. Next. Father of Andhra Renaissance was Kandukuri Viresalingam. Next. Konda Venkatapaya is called by the title Deshabhakta. Next question. The first Chief Minister of Andhra State formed in 1953 was P. Prakasam. Next, in 1997, Sri Bag Pact was signed by the leaders of which two regions? Thank you. Right answer, Andhra, Rayalaseema. Next question. First Chief Minister of Andhra State. Answer P. Prakasam. All India Congress Committee met on April 1921 at Vijayawada. Next, during the time of Sri Krishna Devaraya. Answer బాబర్. సో మిగిలిన వాళ్ళు ఆయన టైంలో వాళ్ళు కాదు, బాబర్ మాత్రం శ్రీకృష్ణదేవరాయల కాలంలో నుంచి అంటే ఆయన సరికాలం వ్యక్తి అన్నమాట. నెక్స్ట్, విచ్ సిటీ ఇన్ ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ ఆంధ్ర యూనివర్సిటీ వాజ్ ఫస్ట్ ఎస్టాబ్లిష్డ్ ఇన్? ఆన్సర్ విజయవాడ. హూ స్టార్టెడ్ విశాలాంధ్ర మూవ్మెంట్? ఆన్సర్ ద కమ్యూనిస్ట్ పార్టీ. నెక్స్ట్, విచ్ ఈస్ ద ఫస్ట్ తెలుగు నావెల్? ఆన్సర్ రాజశేఖర చరిత్ర. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్. Who is considered the first ruler of Deccan? Answer Satavahanas. Next question. The first criminal case during the Vande Mataram movement in Andhra in the political field was the Kakinada case. Next question. The Anglo Telugu Weekly published from Guntur, which stimulated the Andhras to think in terms of separate Andhra, was Deshabhimani. Next, the Battle of Chandurti in East Godavari district led to the expulsion of French. Next, who of the following foreigners established first their trade centers in Andhra area? Answer Portuguese. Next, the United East India Company of the Netherlands first established its factories in this Andhra area. Answer Machilipatnam. Next question. The first session of Rayalaseema Mahasabha was held on 28th January 1934 at Madras. Next, the first meeting of Andhra Jana Sangam was held at Hyderabad on 14th February 1922 under the presidentship of K.V. Rangareddy. Next question. Name the English officer who obtained Madras on lease in 1639 from the ruler of Chandragiri, Francis Day. Next question. The first English evening daily newspaper from Madras was the Madras Mail. Next question. The founder of Andhra National College was Mutnuri Krishna Rao. Next, the 1000-pillar temple at Hanumakonda was built during the rule of Kakatiyas. Next, Unnava Lakshmi Narayana wrote the composed book Malapalli in the year 1921. Next, the first president of Andhra Congress was Nyapati Subbarao. Next, what was the caste of the Satavahanas? Answer Brahmins. Next question. In 1565, the Vijayanagar Empire fell as a result of the war. Answer Kallikota. Next question. Next question. The empire of Vijayanagar was founded by Harihara I and Bukka. Next, the first widow remarriage took place in Andhra on 11/12/1881, December 11th, 1881. Next, Kandukuri Veeraselingam died at Madras on 27th of May 1919. Next, the first Andhra Conference was held on May 26th, 1913 at Bapatla. Next, the All India Congress Committee met in April 1921 at Vijayawada. Next, who is the founder of Satavahana dynasty? Answer Simukha. Next, who built the Bhimeswar temple on the banks of Godavari? Answer Ammaraju. Next, the first Andhra Mahasabha held in the year 1913. Next, on whose side did Andhras fight in the Mahabharata war? Answer Kauravas. Next question. The first state created in India after the 1950. Answer Andhra. Andhra state was formed on October 1st, 1953. Next question. Gentleman's agreement was signed at New Delhi between Andhra and Telangana leaders on 20th February 1956. Next question. 3 East India Company officials were held in great veneration throughout Andhra. The two were Thomas Munro and Arthur Cotton. Who was the third official? Answer Charles Philip Brown. So next question. Who wrote the first novel in Telugu called Rajasekara Charitram? Answer Kandukuri Veeraselingam. Next question. The first Rayalaseema Mahasabha met on January 28th, 1934 at Madras. Next, one of the major dynasties that ruled over Andhra is Satavahanas. Next, rule of kingdom of Reddy kingdom of Kondavidu is 1325 to 1353. Next question. In 1937, Sri Bag Pact was signed by the leaders of Andhra and Rayalaseema. Next, first Chief Minister of Andhra state was P. Prakasam. Thank you. Have a great day. Jai Hind.